The BAIC BJ40 is a rugged SUV produced by BAIC Motor, a subsidiary of the Beijing Automotive Industry Holding Co., BAIC Group. The BJ40 is known for its off-road capabilities and distinctive design, drawing inspiration from classic military vehicles. Here's a comprehensive overview of the BAIC BJ40. Overview category: Mid-size SUV manufacturer, BAIC Motor, Beijing Automotive Industry Holding Co. Market position: off-road-focused SUV design and exterior styling. The BJ40 features a boxy, robust design reminiscent of traditional off-road vehicles, bold front grille with prominent BAIC logo, round headlights and muscular fenders enhance its rugged appeal. Roof options: available with a removable roof, allowing for an open-air driving experience. Wheels and tires: equipped with large off-road capable tires and wheels designed to handle tough terrains. Engine and performance powertrains: typically available with a range of petrol and diesel engines, including turbocharged options for enhanced performance. Transmission: options include manual and automatic transmissions. Four-wheel drive: standard four-wheel drive system with high and low gear ranges, suitable for serious off-roading. Suspension: heavy-duty suspension system designed to withstand rough conditions and provide a comfortable ride. Interior and comfort seating: configurations typically include seating for 5 passengers, durable, easy-to-clean materials suitable for off-road conditions. Infotainment system: features a touchscreen display with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ports. Higher trims may offer advanced infotainment options with smartphone integration. Climate control: manual or automatic climate control systems, depending on the trim level. Cargo space: ample cargo space with the ability to fold rear seats for additional storage capacity. Technology and connectivity infotainment: modern touchscreen interface with multimedia capabilities. Driver assistance systems: depending on the model year and trim, features may include parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and other driver aids. Connectivity: USB ports, Bluetooth, and in higher trims, more advanced connectivity options. Safety features include standard safety features such as airbags, ABS, anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control. Advanced safety options may include hill descent control and traction control systems. Off-road capabilities: four-wheel drive, robust 4WD system with high and low gear ranges. Ground clearance: high ground clearance to navigate rough terrains. Approach and departure angles, designed to handle steep inclines and declines effectively. Additional off-road features: skid plates, tow hooks, and off-road tires. Trim levels variety: available in several trims ranging from basic utilitarian versions to more luxurious feature-rich models. Customization: options for additional off-road accessories and customization to suit personal preferences and specific needs. Summary: the BAIC BJ40 is a versatile and rugged SUV tailored for off-road enthusiasts and those who need a vehicle capable of handling challenging terrains. Its design is a nod to classic military vehicles, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. With a range of engine options, robust off-road capabilities, and a mix of modern technology, the BJ40 is a compelling choice for those seeking adventure without compromising on comfort and style. The Beijing BJ40 is an off-road vehicle produced by BAIC Motor. Originally branded directly as a BAIC product, the vehicle series was rebadged under the Beijing brand after the brand was introduced in 2019. The first-generation BJ40 is divided into 4 trim levels: the BJ40S Super, BJ40P Professional, BJ40C City, and BJ40SE Special Edition. They were designated for different target consumer groups. BAIC BJ40. The BAIC B40 BJ40 originally debuted as a concept during the 2010 Beijing Auto Show, and it is controversial as it resembles the iconic Jeep Wrangler styling-wise. The BJ40 production car debuted at the 2013 Guangzhou Auto Show. The BJ naming system stands for Beijing Jeep because in the 1980s, Beijing Automotive Engineering Company, predecessor of today's BAIC, signed an alliance with the American brand Jeep. Thus, the company Beijing Jeep Corporation was born, which would soon acquire other companies and leave that name to become BAIC. Through this agreement, the BAIC BJ40 Beijing Jeep would go on sale based on none other than the Jeep Wrangler itself. The BJ40 comes with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, producing 143 HP and 217 Nm of torque, mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox with a minimum ground clearance of 210 mm, an approach angle of 37 degrees and departure angle of 33 degrees, and a 24-degree vertical angle. The BAIC BJ40L is the 4-door long wheelbase version of the BJ40, and it debuted on the 2016 Beijing Auto Show, which also previewed the facelift of the BJ40. Prices for the BJ40L ranges from 129,800 to 179,800 yuan. A facelift was launched for the BJ40 2019 model year. The facelift canceled the L nameplate, with the 4-door models renamed to BJ40 Plus. The 2019 model also features a revised front fascia design and updated tail lamps and rear bumper. The update also features a revised front and rear end styling and a 2.0-liter turbo engine producing 160 kilos and 320 Nm. A version called the Beijing BJ40 Plus City Hunter Edition was also revealed in 2019 via the 2019 Shanghai Auto Show. The BJ40 City Hunter Edition is part of the BJ40 C-Series trim level, which stands for City. In terms of technology, the infotainment system is equipped with an upgraded 2.0 intelligent voice interaction system, 12.3-inch full LCD instrument panel, 10-inch smart car display, and streaming media with an automatic anti-glare rear-view mirror. The version also has interior features including surround sound, voice control, power seat, and 3-speed heating seat to meet the needs of urban users of the C trim. The Beijing BJ40 City Hunter Edition is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged direct-injection gasoline engine with a maximum power of 160 kb and a peak torque of 320 Nm, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission supplied by ZF. The Beijing BJ40 City Hunter Edition is also equipped with an electronically controlled time-sharing 4-wheel drive system and provides a variety of different driving modes for different terrains. On 2020, Sasgar signed an agreement with BAIC to produce the BJ40 in complete knockdown in Pakistan, and by 29th of May 2021, production of the SUV started. For the 2020 model year, Beijing Off-Road launched the BJ40 Tribute 2020 version, was launched with 2 configuration models, priced at 169,900 yuan and 200,000 yuan. On September 16, 2019, BAIC launched the Beijing Off-Road F40 pickup, priced at 149,800 yuan, a 21,200. The Beijing F40 is the pickup model of Beijing BJ40 with adjusted appearance details and adopts a single-row cabin design. The second-row space was replaced by an exposed cargo bed. The Beijing F40 pickup is powered by 2.3-liter turbocharged engine shared with the BJ40. The second-generation BJ40 was unveiled in August 2023 and was planned to be launched in November 2023. The second-generation model has a 37-degree approach angle and 30-degree departure angle with a 24-degree ramp angle and a 230-minute ground clearance. The powertrain is a 2.0-liter turbo engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, developing a maximum power output of 180 kV and 395 Nm of torque. The acceleration from 0-100 km/h is within 10 seconds.